Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to cancel WeChat. So actually this process is just very easy. All you have to do is simply log in to your WeChat account, go to Me, and usually you can see the option there, the WeChat Pay. You just have to tap Pay, and then all you have to do is to simply go to cancel WeChat Pay and then follow the instructions to cancel your WeChat Pay account. But if you don't see that feature or option here, then you must do another method, and that is to verify your account in order to use this WeChat Pay. Now, if the problems still occur, you have to go to their customer service and then ask them to help you with this matter. Another thing also is that you can unbind all your bank cards you have bound previously. If there is any money left in the balance, you should take it all out before that. If there is no balance and no bound bank cards, WeChat Pay is disabled. So it will not affect your money because you can proceed with the transaction. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.